This car just sounds like a whole nother car, like crazy. All those pops. Thank you guys for tuning into this episode. Obviously, if you click the video, you're into seeing what the Supra's getting. All right, now I'm actually on my way to AFE, which is in about Corona, which is about like a 30-minute drive or so. I'm gonna go pick up a catless downpipe for it, so we're gonna make some more power. If you guys are watching Donut Media, he says more power, baby. You know how it does, but I'm not gonna steal that from him. So I'm super excited about this one because the Supra needs to be louder, faster, and greater. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and go get that part right now. We're gonna flash. You guys are gonna drive with me to Corona, pick it up, get there, and hopefully install it by the end of today. I already installed the Remark exhaust. This is how it sounds from inside. But now with this new downpipe, I'm excited to hear how the difference is gonna be. Louder, faster. Fuck, I gotta put gas. Damn it. We'll try to make it. I'll probably put some gas right now and then we'll go. So it's 40 minutes. Damn, 40-minute drive to get to where we need to get to. All right, guys, after about 30 minutes of traffic, we have pulled up to the spot. Let's go ahead and run inside and go pick up this order. Let's get it. Pulling up to the front door right now. Factory store parking. We are here. Let's go check it out. Just like that, guys, we are in the clear. Can't even tell you guys how excited I am about doing this. That this 30-minute drive seems so far away. But as fast as we can get it down, we'll install this baby and let's see how much power and how much louder it is. And then the next thing is when they get the intake and then tune it, man, see what it really, how much fun it really is gonna be to drive. Because right now it's super quiet, you guys can hear it, like it's just quiet. Obviously the exhaust is closed, but still inside you don't really hear nothing. But when you open the exhaust, you actually hear it like, I don't know, come alive. So I'm super excited about the downpipe part because a lot of people reviewed it and all that stuff, and it just makes a lot of power, so I just want to be really loud. So let's get it, enjoy the drive home. Or actually, yeah, I basically live at the shop, so that's my house, right? So let's enjoy the drive to the shop, go get this thing installed as fast as possible, and let's do some pulls. So we're gonna show you guys a little pull before we put the downpipe while I'm on the freeway. This is how it sounds inside. So we'll go from 60 to 4. Woo! So this is how it sounds with the windows up, sports mode, stuff like that. Can't wait to install the downpipe and see the difference, baby. Alright guys, so you can see right away getting to work. Removing the cover that you guys can see. This is how it looks after the cover's taken off. Hopefully soon they'll have the intake back in stock because I could drop that in and you guys can see that baby turbo setup right behind it. As you guys see, that's right, kind of what we're trying to get to below it, which is why it's raised up. But intake system, bigger turbo and manifold, and then tuning, and then hopefully see what kind of power ratio I can make with this thing. But I'm super excited about the downpipe part because after I remove all this stuff, I'll show you guys exactly why. Check out this beautiful piece of artwork, guys. This is what we're installing right now. It's the downpipe. Check it out. And then once we remove the stock one, I'm gonna do a little comparison. Shout out to AFE for making such quality parts. And I can't wait to hear it. It's gonna be so much better now. Now guys, the intake is popped off. Eventually I wanna pop off that turbo right there and the manifold and add a bigger one. But for now we're getting to that downpipe, which is squeezed in between there. So we gotta disconnect the exhaust to get to it. So right now we're removing all the clamps and stuff as we're waiting, but hopefully upgrading these parts soon as well. Out. What are you popping out?
Yeah.
Disconnecting all of it?
Just this part. Yeah. I already loosened down the back side. So.
So this is a comparison of side by side from the stock to the AFE, and I know we're probably going to run a check engine light because of the fact that there's no cat on it anymore, but that's okay because that's the sacrifice you give when you want to make some more power. So before, after. Let's go ahead and continue slapping everything on. Alright guys, so we're bolting on the exhaust back up. because it's connected again. Check out where that downpipe went right there. It looked a lot easier. It's a lot easier to watch it get done than it is to do it. But we were finishing it up, putting the last pieces together, and then we can get the first startup. So just a quick little pause in this while we're going along with the video. I might have something new coming up here with the car you guys can see behind me. Now, whether it gets parts or it turns into a completely different car, we don't know yet. So you guys gotta tune in for that video as well. Hit the sub button. I'm really trying to go at it with this whole camera stuff and YouTube stuff, so it helps. It helps when we get feedback. When you like the video, share the video, tell your friends, or even just watch it. So shout out to you guys for continuing to watch through this video if you made it this far. And we're almost to the first startup of the Supra, so super excited about it. Right now it's idling, let it warm up a minute, then I'm going to take it outside for you guys. You can already tell the difference right away. Yeah, you can see it inside. Check engine light. So far so good on the check engine light, but we haven't driven it, so we'll be able to tell in a minute. On sports mode. Damn. What a difference already. You can just hear how mean it sounds already. So much air being released before it can even build up pressure. It's crazy. Waiting for traffic to die down, but you can definitely feel like it needs some more air down so it can pick up faster. Oh yeah, that's crazy. Big difference. Just you hear that? You can just hear the car right away. Just sounds like a whole another beast. It's really hard with all the traffic to get a good video, but we're trying. Pops for days. Even cruising it. I don't know about doing all that, but... Alright guys, so that concludes today's video. Hopefully you guys liked it. The downpipe is done, the exhaust is finished. The next thing I need to do is the intake system, and then of course to tune it, and then of course to get a dyno tuned. So if you guys recommend anybody that can do that, whether it's tuning and dyno tuning, doing both, I would definitely be interested in doing that to the Supra. So go to the comment section, comment who you suggest I go to, hit them up for me, or I'll hit them up, whatever. I want to tune the Supra, get some numbers down for it, and all that other fun stuff. Next I got to figure out the wheels and some cosmetic stuff for the outside so it doesn't look so stock. But I kind of like the stock look because if it has a lot of power and it's stock, you'd be surprised. Definitely a great choice of putting the downpipe. Totally happy with it. You guys saw the video, you guys heard it. I'm gonna have a lot of fun. So that's all I gotta say about that. I need to start hitting the gym because I'm out of breath. But hit the sub button, share it, tell your friends. Thank you guys for the countless support. And if you guys didn't know, the Dreams to Reality t-shirt merch are available in the link in the bio of our Instagram page if you guys haven't followed that, or you guys can come by at the store. Also one of the hats. So I'm working on making some of these and all that other cool stuff that goes along with it. That's enough rambling for that. We'll see you guys at the shop. Thank you guys for watching the video.